This is a brand new elevator. Look at this. Really nice. Go to -2. It's a boring generic. Let's go. Look at the numbers.
Get direction Érasme. Perron richting Erasmus. Platform direction.
And here we are. Look at this. Here is a subway platform. Let's try the door safety. And look at this, a subway. Now go to 0. And let's look at the subway train. Here we go. Look at this. It's really nice. It's a really nice elevator and new. Let's see it. It's twist. Let's see it go down. Here is a motor. It's a brand new elevator. And brand new Liften Coopman. Here is a counterweight. A really little motor. Smoke detector. And that's it.